Hi there, I'm Matt Ishbia, President and CEO of UWM, and this is 3 points. First point, down payment assistance programs hit an all-time high. So there's more DPAs, down payment assistance programs, than ever before in America. So it's really highlighting the biggest issue of homeownership, which is getting a down payment. The days of 20%, 30% down is not here anymore. People don't do that. 3%, 5%, 10%, and a lot of times they need help with that. Understand that there's DPAs out there in different cities, counties, states. There's lenders, there's banks, there's non-banks. There are all these opportunities. So understanding those opportunities and helping your consumer get the best loan and the best opportunity so they can buy that house. And also understand with down payment assistance, usually since it's less than 20%, mortgage insurance becomes a factor, whether it's borrower paid or lender paid. Understand how to get the best MI rates for these consumers. There's so much to this home buying process these days, but know that DPAs, there's more than ever. They're going to continue to grow. There's going to be more and more. And it's helping solve the biggest issue with home ownership. Second point, FHFA's title waiver pilot. So the Federal Housing Finance Agency has announced a title insurance waiver pilot program that would eliminate the protections of title insurance for certain refinance loans with LTVs less than 80%. What does this mean? Basically that they're saying, hey, listen, we know that you don't need title insurance on all these loans. Why are we charging consumers for this? So FHFA and Director Sandra Thomas are actually leading and doing great things here. And guess what? It's getting a lot of opposition because people don't like this. People don't like change. People don't like that all the title companies, the title insurance, we want now there's letters going out spearheaded by Tennessee attorney generals and all these different attorney generals fighting this. They just don't know what they're talking about. The reality is it's good for consumers, saving consumers money without adding any risk to the whole industry or the consumer is a win. Just because it's always been done that way doesn't mean it's going to continue to be done that way. And so this is making homeownership more affordable. It's also helping people save money on refinances. Like, why would I do a refinance? We know I have title already. Why would I do it again? Why would I get, say, $2,000 or $3,000 again? This title pilot is the future. So kudos to FHFA for standing up for what's right, along with the industry, because guess what? This is what the future will be, and it will continue to be this way. We have to innovate. We have to try new things and make sure we're doing right by consumers. The end goal is help homeownership and help consumers, and that's why we're all in this industry. Third point, Freddie Mac rental income changes. So Freddie Mac has published several significant loosenings to the rental income guidelines. Many different things. One of them is borrowers, only one borrower is required to have 12-month management history. It used to be, you have to, there's a lot of changes. Actually, you can go on the link below, or you can actually just go to the chat UWM or the source to find the other guidelines. But the key here is Freddie Mac is trying to make things better. Rental income is a big deal. How you calculate rental income, how you do loans that way. But also, they're just trying to make things better across the board. Freddie Mac is trying to improve guidelines, make things easier for consumers and for brokers to qualify more borrowers. So understand Freddie Mac rental income guidelines. There's going to be more changes coming on all different things because Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are trying to make things better for all consumers. And obviously, it helps all of us mortgage people as well. Thanks for joining me. I'm Matt Ishbia, President and CEO of UWM, and that was 3 points.